Hello, Cappy, my loves! Welcome po sa ating tahanan. Ito ang ating bi-weekly reading. So, for the next 2 weeks or mid-November, no? 10th up until the 24th of November 2021. Okay? So, Scorpio season. We have angel answers. Makaka-resonate po kayo dito if you have Capricorn saan man sa inyong birth chart o di kaya you're dealing with a Capricorn. Maaari niyong i-pause ang video kasi itong mga angel answers, baka ito ang kasagutan sa inyong mga tanong right now. Okay? So magdodraw tayo ng 4 na baraha, situation natin, challenge, what you need to know, Capricorn, at saka yung outcome. Let's see. So, first card out, communicate clearly. So, may conversation na mangyayari dito. Kailangan ng open communication, or kung meron kang kailangang baguhin, sabihin, hindi mo gusto, or kung gusto mo man, okay? You have to speak up. Ito na yung opportunity mo to get heard. Okay? So, make sure na be clear kung paano mo i-express yung sarili mo. Okay? Watch your words also. And looks like it na ito nga ang sitwasyon, no? Na you're able to clearly send the message. Ano man ito. Okay? Or either ikaw ito or in relation to baka ito ang inyong person or situation na connected kayo somehow. Alright? This could be for the next 2 weeks. So, maaring nangyayari na to in the past. Let's see. We have within the next few months. Siguro it's being worked out for the next few, like, ilang buwan tong wini-work out. And ikaw ito will take a few months, siguro. This is worth of, kumbaga ba, a month's work. Baka ikaw ito, no? Tinrabaho mo to. Or inaral mo to. So parang siguro ikaw yung expert or ikaw ito giving directions. So, sa'yo manggagaling, kumbaga ba. Or importante na malaman kung ano yung minamanifest mo rito. Okay? Ano yung stand mo. Oh. So serious. Capricorn. So kahit na 10th till the 24th ito, kahit mapanood nyo after, okay lang. Maaari nyong i-apply within the next 2 weeks. Okay? We have no need to worry. What you need to know, wala kang dapat alalahanin dito. Everything is taken care of. Kasi sinabi mo clearly ano yung gusto mo eh. Clear and direct. Tsaka precise. Very specific ka. So, hindi ka pwedeng i-twist, manipulate. Okay? So, kung winwork out mo na to, if you've put in the effort, time, no? Then, itong next 2 weeks na to, merong answer sa mga hinihingi mo. Or merong communication na mangyayari. Kung ito, baka ikaw ito na hinihingi mo ng feedback. Okay? So, iniintay mo yung sagot nila, kumbaga ba. So, kung winwork out mo na lahat to, siguro it had, ano man ang tinatanong mo rito or dinademand mo, it took 3 months. Finally, in these 2 weeks, within the next 2 weeks, hopefully, no, you hear something from your person. So you have nothing to worry about. Loud and clear. Kumbaga ba, I hear you loud and clear. Parang ganun. Yung naririnig ko dito. We hear you loud and clear, sabi ng mga anghel mo. So of course, they're gonna work this out for you. Just trust. Okay? And with this, just be patient rin. Kung, depende, syempre, kung gaano kalaki yung hinihiling natin, ano? Just trust. Hindi para ipagkait sa ito ng mga anghel mo or ni God or ng universe. Okay? Alam nila. So, it's being worked out. So, in the next 2 weeks, you'll hear from someone regarding your prayer, wish, manifestation, ano man ito. Ano man itong gusto mo. Okay? Ito na yung tulong. Okay? May mga taong tutulong sa'yo. Napapadala ni God, ng universe, kasi yun yung suporta na kailangan mo. Okay? Or this could be relating to a family situation. Baka kayo ito having to talk to your family members, setting up rules, mga ganun ba? Okay. Situation. Maari din ito sa trabaho. Okay. Kasi itong within the next few months time, ibig sabihin merong winner out rito. May pinut in na effort. Work's been done. Okay? Ang challenge, someone feels na parang yung pinaghirapan nila, tinrabaho nila, parang nabaliwala or hindi na-appreciate. Don't think like that. Be positive lang lagi. Kasi importante right now na maging positibo ka. Ito na, kumbaga ba, ito na yung mga regalo, ito na yung suporta. Ito na yung sagot sa mga ano mo. Concern mo, whatever it is na inaalala mo, everything is taken care of. Okay? Parang star card ito plus 10 of cups. Okay? Dream fulfillment in all aspects of your life. So beautiful. Very promising. So in the next 2 weeks, ano man ito na wini-wish nyo, either a family situation, yung iba sa inyo, dream job, dream role, ano man ito, okay? Ano man itong 10 of cups, ano mang dream ito, ano man yung star ninyo, or baka kayo ito, wanting to be a star, boom, okay? Meron tatawag sa'yo, merong na-discover rito, okay? Madi-discover ka. Oh, base chakra. Kumbaga ba, sobra kang grounded nung hiniling mo to. Root chakra natin ang base chakra. So, kailanganin mong i-ground yung sarili mo, kumapit ka in short. Dahil itong 10 of cups na ito, tsaka star card, parang panaginip. Parang hindi ka makapaniwala. Okay? Bubuhos sa'yo ang grasya. So, you have to parang ground yourself. Breathing exercises. Okay? Kasi, diba, ask and you shall receive. Ito na. Humiling ka from the bottom of your base chakra, your root chakra. At nakinig ka sa signs na binibigay sa iyo ng universe. Okay? Hindi mo alam, may surprise sa'yo. Okay? Meron din nakinig sa mga gusto mo, sa mga hiling mo. So, ilang buwan nilang tinrabaho ito para ma-check lahat. Para kang may listahan dito eh. Para kang nagbigay ng listahan ng ano ba to? Shopping list? Binigyan mo ng shopping list yung mga anghel mo. So, anyway, ito, no? Ito na. So, huwag kang mag-alala. Ano man itong hinihiling mo, magpasalamat ka na. Keep thanking the universe. Keep thanking God. Keep thanking your lucky stars. Your ancestors. Okay? Kasi everything works out perfectly para sa'yo. Capricorn. Alright? Trust your intuition. Makinig ka din sa sarili mo. Huwag kang manduda. Kung humingi ka kay God, eto na. Ano man itong hiniling mo, finding balance, Two of Pentacles. Ang listen card natin, High Priestess energy, Pisces. This is you. You have nothing to worry about, Capricorn. For so long as you continue on na balanse. Mabalanse mo lang lahat, Parang, kumbaga ba, kung naging milyonaryo ka agad in one day, or bilyonaryo ka agad in one day, nothing should change. Kailangan mo pa rin balansehin yon, di ba? Or ano man itong hiniling mo, parang sobra ka kasing grounded na tao. Parang, okay. And may mga tao rito, ang ano lang ng universe is yung pagtingin sa ng mga tao. Yun yung parang mapapanood mo. Okay? Makikita mo kung paano ka tratuhin ngayon dahil after mong makuha tong mga blessings na to. Okay? Mafe-feel mo in your gut kung sino yung mga dapat mo talagang papasukin sa inner circle mo at pagkatiwalaan. Okay? Kasi sila yung, syempre, more money, more problems. Okay? But trust that you are protected. Lahat ito parang plano for you talaga at pinlano mo to with God. So, yeah, trust. All about expansion, growth. Okay? If you're connecting with a person, kung romantic itong taon to, ginagawa lahat or gagawin lahat. Okay? Kung spiritual practitioner ka or nagtataro reading sila, ganyan lahat. Pinakikinggan nila lahat. Ano yung interest mo? Ano yung nagpapakilig sa'yo? Lahat yon gusto nilang malaman. Kasi kiliting-kiliti sila. Gusto nilang pakita sa'yo at sabihin sa'yo. Lahat-lahat. Okay? So, trust the situation dahil mukhang something is happening here at magugulat ka na lang. Boom. Okay? Face to face na kayo. Hindi na kayo magkahiwalay. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-send ng hindi nyo na kailangan mag-ESP sa isa't isa. Okay? So, it's being worked out. You and your divine masculine or divine feminine, no? Universe is working it out for you. Wow. Kasi hiningi mo. Here you go. Ask and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Knock and it shall be opened for you. Okay? I think ikaw lang ito sharing your blessings sa mga tao na nagmamatter. Okay? Base chakra, communicate clearly. Message for Capricorn, please. Sobrang, meron din dito na parang someone cannot live without you. Parang nasanay sila na yung company mo or nasanay na sila na parang sobra kang naging totoo rito. Parang nasanay ka na iniisip mo sila palagi. So, parang sila yung constant companion mo kahit na magkahiwalay kayo. No? Kasi naririnig niyo yung pag-iisip ng isa't isa eh. Connected kayo telepathically. No? So, twin flames lang. 8-10. Wow. Yeah. Siguro ang life path number mo 2 or 8. Tapos sila 8. I don't know. Okay. Parang Wheel of Fortune rin ito. Destiny. Parang it's a match. Balance lang kayo. Okay? When it comes to how you feel for each other, how much you want this, you will work out nyo to. Okay? Basta magtiwala ka lang. The Empress. Okay? Could be mother energy. Siguro ex mo ito. Baka may na-upset ka na mother. No? Tapos itong nanay na ito. Very intuitive dahil Empress siya. Okay? Very grounded. Alam niya kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Okay? Kumbaga ba, nasa tamang direksyon ka lang. Okay? Nasa tamang pag-iisip. Very balanced. Kaya ka pinagpapala. No? Kahit na empress ka pa, kahit na may pinapatakbo kang empire, marami kang lupa, bossing ka, you know, very grounded ka at humble. Hindi mo parang pinapakita yung karangyaan mo. Very down to earth. Okay? Ang challenge dito is action. Paano kayo magkikita? Okay? Paano kayo magkikita sa mata? And I think it's gonna happen. Mangyayari na. Okay? Oh, wow. Ano man ito, 10 of Cups. Okay, so I guess proposal. I think alam mo na rin ito that someone is wanting to take action sa connection na ito or partnership kung sa business ito, okay? Gusto ka nila, ikaw yung favorite, ikaw yung choice. 4 of Swords. Yeah. Ang tagal na deliberation, meeting. Okay? Siguro 4 months nilang tinrabaho. So, don't worry. You're in good hands. Lahat to, parang well thought of, pinlano lahat. Okay? In-orchestrate talaga. Para for this moment na wala kayong ibang iintindihan kung hindi itong meeting ninyo or partnership na gagawin ninyo. Ano man itong i-create ninyong dalawa. Baka you're dealing with a Virgo. Finally, someone will come out of their shell. Or siguro ito, no? Itong gusto nila for you. Baka ikaw ang kailangan mag-communicate at mag-reach out. But definitely, merong revelation. Okay? Malalaman mo bakit, ano ba ang pinagkakaabalahan nila. Okay? At the whole time, wala silang pinagtrabahuhan kung hindi itong wish mo. Itong mga demands mo. Okay? At ano man ang hiniling mo, okay? Tinrabaho nila yon. It took 4 months. Dugot pawis. Okay? Dugot pawis ng taong ito. So, prepare to be happy. Prepare to be honored also. Okay? Ito, union. Parang I think iniintay mo. Maraming tao ang nag-iintay rin dito na parang well-supported kayo. Okay? Kayong dalawa. What you've done, exceptional. Okay? So, congratulations. Anumang offer ito, upgrade, okay? Anumang 10 of Cups na hiningi ninyo, star card pa. Okay? Dream come true. Parang, kukurutin nyo talaga sarili nyo para maramdaman nyo lang na hindi ito panaginip. Realidad na to. Okay? Na hindi na kayo kailangang mag-keep ng secret or to be distant. Okay? Kung sino man yung parang nagtatago rito. Para kayo naglalaro ng hide and seek. Anyway, yan ang ating reading. Hopefully, naka-resonate kayo. Let me know sa comments down below para ma-absorb ko rin ang energies ninyo. Also, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the kalambang para updated po tayo sa ating mga uploads. Maaari nyo rin i-check ang description box. Andun po lahat ang link para po sa bawat playlist ng bawat sign. Okay? So, kung hindi kayo makaresonate dito, marami pa po tayong videos na pwedeng i-check out under Capricorn Chronicles. Enjoy your next few weeks. Capricorn, love you. Mwah.